et bienvenue à l'Institut d'études de la langue française. C'est la classe ADO.2 et je serai avec vous comme professeur ce matin. Je m'appelle Steven. Et dans cette leçon, nous allons apprendre comment nommer sans préciser. Comment nommer sans préciser et quelques expressions fréquentes. Vous présentez deux ensemble. That is to present two sets. When you want to present two sets, and then you don't want to give a name. You're not giving the names of those you are presenting. You're not specifying. These are ways that we can do it. L'un. When we say l'un, we have les uns. We have l'autre, les autres. L'un is one. So we're saying one. Les uns, that is some. L'autre is the other. Les autres is the others. Look at this. Certains ont chanté. That is, some sang, mais les autres sont regardés. Some sang, the others watched. Some sang, the others watched. So we are presented two sets. The set that sang is the first set. Certains ont chanté. And then the other set actually watched. Les autres ont regardé. So these are ways. So using l'un, les uns, l'autre, and les autres, they are used to present sets. So the first set did this, the second set. So we can say la première personne est sortie. That is, the first person has gone out. L'autre n'est pas sorti. The other. L'autre n'est pas sorti. The other has not gone out. So you have presented different sets of people, but you have not mentioned their name. So that is how to name without specifying. Okay, let us look at some frequent expressions to express indifference. Pour exprimer l'indifférence. To express indifference. François n'est pas prudent. That is, François is not prudent. He's probably not cautious. He's not aware. He's indifferent. Il sort avec n'importe qui. He goes out with anybody. Il va n'importe où. That is, he goes anywhere. From who? Anywhere. Il fait n'importe quoi. He does whatever. Il fait n'importe quoi. He does whatever. He does anything. Il rentre n'importe quand. He returns anytime. Anytime. Quand has to do with when. Timing. So, n'importe, when we use n'importe with all of this, we are saying any. Confiance. Qu'est-ce que c'est la confiance? That's trust. We're talking of confidence. Ma mère a confiance en moi. That is, avoir confiance en. That is to have trust in somebody. Ma mère a confiance en moi. To believe in somebody is an expression. Avoir confiance en. So, j'ai confiance en toi. That is, I believe in you. Elle peut me faire confiance. That is, faire confiance. That is to confide in somebody. She can confide in me. Elle peut me faire confiance. On peut compter sur moi. Compter is the verb to count. So you can count on me. One can count on me. Pour le travail, tu peux compter sur moi. You can count on me. Je vais le faire. On peut se fier à moi. Of course, you can rely on me. On peut se fier à moi. Faites-moi confiance. Have confidence in me. Rely on me. Believe in me. Comptez sur moi. Count on me. Il me promet que. Promettre is from the verb promettre. To promise. He promises me that. Il me promet qu'il m'achètera quelque chose si je réussirai. He promises me that he'll buy me something if I will succeed. Il me promet que. C'est promis. It is promised. C'est promis. C'est promis que le confinement va arrêter la semaine prochaine. It is promised that the lockdown will stop. Will be ended next week. C'est promis. It is promised. Okay? Méfiance. This is rather the opposite of confiance. La méfiance. So this is distrust. Mistrust. Nous nous méfions de lui. We are cautious of him. Nous nous méfions. That is so méfier. Nous nous méfions de lui. That is, you are cautious of him. So méfier de quelqu'un. De quelque chose. To be aware. You take note. You take cognizance of something. Nous n'avons pas confiance en lui. This is just the opposite of avoir confiance. We don't have confidence in him. We don't believe in him. Je ne peux pas compter sur lui. Ah, le garagiste, je ne peux pas compter sur lui. The mechanic, l'ingénieur, the engineer, I cannot count on him. He probably have disappointed you sometimes ago and then you say, lui, non, je ne peux pas compter sur lui. I cannot count on him. Il ne faut pas se fier à lui. You cannot rely on him. Don't rely on him. Don't rely on him. It's going to disappoint you. Il ne faut pas se fier à lui. Méfiez-vous de lui. Méfiez-vous de lui. This is beware of him. Méfiez-vous. You can also say méfiez-vous. Il y a des chiens. Beware, there are dogs. Beware of dogs. Méfiez-vous de lui. Ne comptez pas sur lui. Don't count on him. So with these expressions, on a day-to-day basis, you can express indifference, you can express distrust, you can express belief, and then you can name without precising. With this, I've come to the end of this session, and then I will introduce you to some exercises on page 101. Exercice 3 de la page 100. So you can find some exercises where you learn more on how to express confidence, how to express trust, and then how to also name without specifying. Merci beaucoup, c'est la fin de cette leçon. Je vous souhaite une bonne journée. Au revoir.